This is how I made $384 trading the US30 kagabi. So let's recap this trade. First thing I did is pumunta ako sa 4-hour chart to look for my bias. As you can see, we have a bullish order block right here. And na-notice ko kahapon, Tuesday, November 25, na we were not able to close below the mean threshold of this bullish order block. So it means the order flow is holding bullish. Now looking at the 15-minute time frame, as you can see at 9:30 open, we took out the New York low right here. After taking out this New York low, as you can see, nag-displace ulit tayo pataas and then nag-close siya above this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So it means the order flow is bullish talaga kasi it's not able to close a body below this 15 minutes bullish FEG. Now looking at the 1-minute chart, as you can see, we have this high which is the opening range high. Ito yung high na na-create during 9:30 to 10 o'clock New York time. And as you can see, before mangyari yung setup, nag-send ako ng analysis sa Discord. I said that note these highs kasi possible balikan. So this opening range high, ito yung naging draw on liquidity ko. And as you can see dito, if you look at this 15 minutes bullish FEG, as you can see, nire-respect yung order flow. Kasi look at the bodies, where is it residing? It's in the upper half of this 15 minutes bullish FEG, setting the tone na bullish talaga siya. After natin magkaroon ng inversion fair value gap dito, we closed above this opening price, which is an order block. These two criterias, ito yung naging confirmations ko to enter a buy trade. So, nag-place ako ng buy limit. So, actually, nag-execute ako ng market execution dito sa opening price. I then placed my stop loss just below the midpoint of this wick. And, of course, yung drawn liquidity, the target was the opening range high. So, this setup was a nice 2.5 RR. So, nag-risk ako ng 0.5% dito. And as you can see, after entering buy right here in this order block, pumunta sa taas yung price to take out the opening range high, hitting my TP target. That's how I made $384 trading the US30 kagabi. Follow for more trade recaps like this.